Hello, dear Mudras. This is Reverend who is back. Now I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Moodle Platform. First, you have to log in into Moodle like this one. And after, you will look at this button. If it is turned off or on. Now it means that here, once you want to turn it on, you will click on this green button like this until it turns into red. So you will see here we have the three areas: the central one, the left one, the right pan. So it means that here we will see that once you have turned it on, editing on, here you will have an activity or resource link like this one. So our goal, our objective is to create a quiz. So you click here. Once you have this dialog box, you will have other activities. You look at, you will scroll down until you get the quiz radio here. So this quiz activity enables a teacher to create quizzes comprising the questions of various types, including multiple choice, matching, short answer, and numerical, and so on and so on. After that, you have to add that quiz, like that one. Now, as you can see this web page, under the general rubric, it means that you have to give a name. You have to give a name to this this quiz. So mine is geographical. You can give a name. Quiz number 1, for example, this one, and it means that it recognizes the instructor. Let me use my name here. So you can describe your quiz here, and after that you can set up the timing. If you want it to be open from this date to another date, you will enable here or here. Now I don't want to enable that one, so you will explore this one. When the time expires, it means that it can be, you can open attempts which are submitted automatically. It means that you can choose this one about the grace period. It means that here, and the other ones about the attempts which must be submitted before time expired. Let us use this one. But the submission grace period is, so you can set it as 1, but here let us enable this one, and here there is a grace period. In order to enable this, it means that here, but once it is not, you don't give the grace period, this one will be deactivated. About the grades, the grade category, this is by default, but here you can give the pass mark, and the attempts which are allowed, you can set 1, for example. And once it is unlimited, you know that here you can consider the highest grade, the average, and so on and so on. But once it is 1 or 2, it means that once it is 1 here, you will not have the highest grade. About the layout here, I will set every question here. It will be all questions will be on one page. About this one, I will rate it as it is. About this one, I will rate it as it is. For the common, I will rate it as it is. and I have to save. Now I want to save my time. So here I have my quiz. I will click on it. Now I want to edit the quiz. I will click on this one, edit the quiz. Edit quiz. Edit quiz. Now the maximum grade, as I said, it was 5. I can modify this one and it will be like this. So now I want to add questions. Question 1. I have to add this one. It will be, I will scroll the questions and I will choose the type of my question. Here I have the multiple choice, which is very easy to respond. Now, you see, for example, I have the question name here. Suppose I want to set up my first question here, and here it is the question text. Now, the quiz I am going to give you is the geographical quiz, the quiz about geography. I'm not a geographer, but I'm a physicist. But now I'm going to enjoy my geography. So let us play with capitals, capital cities about of some countries. For example, I choose Bogota. Bogota is the capital city of which country? This is the question text. Now you will scroll. Here, the default mark, you can change it. The feedback, this is the general feedback you can give it. But now, about the one or multiple answers, one only answer will be enough. So to shuffle, we have to tick here if you want to shuffle. It means that once one student has the A option, it can be B for another one. And here for the number of to number the traces, you can use letters. But now, for the time being, I can choose no numbering. It means that here you will have some radio buttons. The first choice, is it Canada, the country? Canada. And if it is not, the grade will be none. And the feedback will be incorrect, my friend. Incorrect. And the second one will be Russia. If it is not the right answer, the grade will be none. And here also the feedback will be this one, incorrect, my friend. So, and the third one, it can be Colombia. And if it is the right answer, the grade will be 100%. Oh, bravo! Correct. And I can set the fourth option if it is Thailand, like this one. But we know that it is not the correct one, and this will be incorrect as a feedback. You save the changes. You have to save the changes like this one. You have to save the changes. My internet is not. Yes. You have to save the changes. Now I have set one question for my quiz. And I thank you very much and see you very soon.